Good morning. This is Don again. I wanted to take a moment this morning and invite you to go to the website, thereasonablerealtor.com, and take a look around. I would love it if you would. I'd love it if you'd subscribe there. I'd like it if you'd read some of the articles. We cover everything that you would like to know about selling your house for sale by owner. In fact, if you go to thereasonablerealtor.com, you're going to find a store, you're going to find books for sale regarding selling your own house and how to sell your house. And a lot of the books are for sale by owner books. So, at any rate, I do want to encourage you to go ahead and click this little red square and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I know I'm still trying to figure out which end is up about the YouTube channel. Although being a broker and working with for sale by owners, I've been doing over 36 years, I am very new to the YouTube. So cut me some slack on the YouTube, not on the advice for selling your own house. Anyway, if you would subscribe, if you would like us, hit a thumbs up. That would be great. If you would, in fact, drop a comment what you like or didn't like. I will answer you if you drop a comment in the section below. There's also a link to get to the website and pretty easy to get to the store if you'd like to look at some of the books or buy some of the books. They are cheap. They're not expensive stuff. Most of them are Kindle books, although I think some of them you can get in paperback form if you want to. But that's all for now. I've got another article coming up in probably a day or so, and I will try to bring you another video tomorrow. Thanks.